You disagree? We'll chop your head off, beast. That's what's in the Quran.
Yeah,
Oh, that is peace? Look at him laughing. Chopping other people's heads off, is that peace?
Yes, because you
Is chopping other people's heads off peace? Whoa, don't touch me. Hey, don't touch me. Excuse me. Don't touch me. Okay? Beast. Look at the beast. Can you see the beast? Utterly clueless yet very beastful. Are you planning already to leave Islam?
No.
Where are you from? Please come here. Kuwaitis, please.
I don't have a time.
You don't have time. Help me understand.
لا ما تصورني. No camera.
One good thing in the Quran.
Everything.
One. Let's start
Everything.
somewhere. One.
The beast.
The what?
Beast.
The beast.
Yeah.
The Quran is beast.
You're what?
I am a Christian.
Christian.
I come from the Prince of Peace,
ما
Jesus.
يصورني زين ها.
I come from the Prince of Peace, Jesus.
Hey.
And you think there is beast in the Quran?
Yeah.
Where exactly is it? I've been trying to find. Nowhere to be found.
Did you read the Quran?
All of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you didn't find beast?
No.
How no?
Well, going killing others is not beast, is it?
This is what? If it's not.
If I come and slap you and kill you, is that beast?
Did we say kill people, other people?
Well, that's what Muhammad says all the time.
Show me.
Show me what? Show me. Have you ever read Surah Tawbah?
Yeah.
You've read?
Yeah.
What does he say there?
What?
Go love others. Is that what he says? What does he say?
صرت توبة.
Fight, jihad.
جهاد في سبيل.
Jihad is beast.
Yeah.
How is jihad beast?
I don't know, but what beast?
What do you mean? I don't know. You tell.
لنشر الإسلام.
How is jihad beast?
Listen, brother.
Yes.
If you don't believe in Quran,
No,
that's
fine.
your choice. That's your choice.
My dear friend, please.
That's your choice.
Don't, no, please. How
Allah
old are you?
will judge you. That's your choice.
Look, I'm not interested. I'm trying. I thought you were going to talk me about beast. You are now going to Allah and judgment and so on. Does the Quran have beast?
Listen, you come to me. I didn't come to you.
Sure.
Right?
I agree.
Yeah.
So I didn't say you. You came to
Yeah,
me.
I'm not
But I said
to this-
you said the Quran has beast.
Yeah.
Where?
Okay, I believe in that.
But
If you don't believe,
where?
that's your choice.
But where? Going killing others is that beast?
Bro, you just took one surah.
Surah Tawbah. I can talk about Surah Al Imran. Have you read Surah Al Imran?
Yeah?
Do you know Al Imran describes what should happen to munafiqs?
Yeah?
You can be a Muslim, but if you don't engage in jihad, beast.
Yeah.
And beast.
Yes.
Everything beast.
Yeah. Everything
So,
done is
Munafiq, are you happy with Munafiq beast?
أنا تخربطي فالقحبة هذا جانت
لا guys.
كالسم
Surah Al Imran. Now I've told you. Second, one second.
وانا تعرف فالقحبة هذا عندهم بديانتهم بصورة شو اسمه بالانجيل التوراة حقهم هذا انه يروح شنو؟ سكسية
My dear friend,
شنو؟
I'll help you understand, yeah? Surah Al-Baqarah. You can read through Surah 2, yeah? Surah 1, useless, utter nonsense.
No,
Please,
don't say useless.
but please, listen.
Don't say useless.
Don't get angry.
Okay, but
Otherwise, you'll become beastful again. Beast.
Yeah?
Please, we
I didn't
need.
hit you. We arguing right now, right?
There's no.
Yeah?
I've said Surah.
Don't say useless.
Why can't I say useless?
Because it's not useless.
So you so far, you didn't say anything so far. So I'm assuming it's useless, yeah? Please listen. Surah Al-Baqarah, second surah. Beast.
Yeah?
People who own Masjid Al-Haram, beast. Please listen.
Okay.
Beast. They say, we are not Muslims, don't come into our home. Beast. So they can take over their Masjid Al-Haram.
Yeah?
So taking over other people's properties, beast. Surah Al-Baqarah.
Yeah?
Surah Al-Baqarah, yeah?
Okay.
Surah 3, Surah Al-Imran. Beast, Munafiq, beast. Everything beast. We do everything peacefully. If you are a Munafiq, if you say no jihad, we'll do jihad, beast.
Okay.
That's Surah Al-Imran.
Okay.
Surah
What
4.
you trying to reach?
You said earlier, I mentioned only Surah Tawbah, one surah. I am telling you, I can walk you through the Quran. Beast. Everywhere beast.
Okay.
The Quran's beast is go chop people's heads off. That's Quran's beast.
Okay.
And that I would encourage you to understand is not beast. There is nothing peaceful in the Quran. Nothing.
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 Okay.
I have read the Quran front to back, back to front,
Okay.
up to down, down to up, every way.
Okay.
I've written a book on this. I've written my first book on Quran. I'm writing another book on the Quran. I've written many. I have many articles that I have at home. Many very deep notes about the Quran and so on that I use at Speakers Corner and elsewhere. I know the Quran inside out, and I can tell you, if the Quran is beast, we are gone. We are gone. If the Quran is beast, we might as well give up on life and go beast. The Quran is a militant, murderous book. Terrorist Osama bin Laden.
Don't say terrorist, brother. Don't. Okay.
Osama bin Laden.
You
who is
don't
that?
believe in Quran. You don't believe in Quran, right?
No, I believe in Quran. I believe that the
You
Quran.
believe what?
I believe that this is terrorist.
Okay.
Yes.
You're not Muslim, right?
5 minutes. Yeah.
5 minutes. You're
I'm not.
Muslim?
I'm not a Muslim. I'm someone who has read the Quran.
Okay,
Have
you
you read the Quran?
Of course, I'm Muslim.
How many surahs?
How many surah يا طويل الفلول
How many?
No, it's fine. We're not experts. In
It's not fine. I'm asking how many surahs?
Yeah, we're not experts. In
How many?
bro.
You don't know. You don't know.
Yeah, okay, I don't
Just
know.
You don't. You don't. Do you know?
Don't
Do you know how many surahs?
380.
318.
Yeah.
Well, at this
اسمع راح اكسر وجهك
412
يا جماعه راح اكسر وجهه والله.
412
318, not 450.
Okay, what you trying to reach? You don't believe.
What I'm
That's
trying
your
to-
choice. I'm
What?
not here to argue.
But please listen.
I'm here to laugh.
But please,
Yeah.
you don't know the Quran,
Okay.
and so you have fancy ideas.
Yes.
I know the Quran, and that is why I can't have fancy ideas. I know what is there. And I can tell you 114, by the way, 114, not 318. 114. Perfect beast.
انفخ بوجهه.
You disagree? We'll chop your head off, beast. That's what's in the Quran.
Yeah.
Oh, that is peace? Yes. Look at him laughing. Chopping other people's heads off, is that peace?
Yes, please. Yes, because you
Is chopping other people's heads off peace? Whoa, 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 don't touch me. Hey, don't touch
I speak with
me.
you.
Excuse me. Hey,
What?
don't touch me. Okay? Beast. Look at the beast. Can you see the beast? Utterly clueless yet very beastful. To you, sir. Chopping other people's heads off, is that beast? Is that beast?
Okay, listen. I don't know what you're trying to reach. Okay, this is one.
What I am trying to
Okay,
say.
if you want to try to change my mind to follow like Christian or something like that, or not do it. Okay, so everything you said, you will not reach something. I was sick in Islam until my last day in my life.
Sure.
So, like,
Intelligent, yeah?
yeah, intelligent.
Intelligent.
What we're doing right now is waste of time.
So why did you come here? To Speaker's Corner, why did you
No,
come?
this is Hyde Park, right?
Yeah, Hyde Park.
Yeah.
This is called Speaker's
Yeah,
Corner.
we was walking,
Ah,
and
okay.
you said, "Come on, you're a Muslim, let's
No
talk."
problem. Do you read any books at all in your life?
No,
You know, how about no books?
I just watch social.
Do you learn anything in life?
No.
You don't learn anything?
Yeah.
So you've sold your soul, no books,
No books, no
no
nothing.
Speaker's Corner,
Food?
only jihad, full
Food?
time?
No, listen.
Including at Speaker's Corner in your
Food?
case?
Food?
In your case, including at Speaker's Corner?
Sleep, pray. That's it.
Food, sleep.
Yeah. That's
With
it.
having no clue, jihad, food, sleep, pray. How old are you?
19.
19. I am 41 years old. 41. And I'd like to comment to you. I am from India originally. I live here right now. Don't laugh. This is not laughing matter.
Okay, say it. Come on, say it. Okay, say it. Say it.
What I am telling all of you, are you also around 19? How old are you, sir? Say again.
What do you want?
How old are you? 22? 22 youngsters, yeah? How old are you? 16. He is the most violent. Can you see 16?
He's underage.
Under. In the UK, you can.
You can what?
Listen. You
You can what?
you can give consent and so on when you are 16. Listen carefully. You have sold your soul when you are very young. Not a good idea. Read books. Read books. Understand why you believe in what you believe in. Find out if you are on the right path, or find out if someone has destroyed your soul or not. Find out.
Tell me,
Jesus.
what is the right path?
The right path is Jesus. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Where do you get life from? From Jesus. Where do you get truth from? From Jesus. How do you walk? Through Jesus. Jesus alone is able to give you life. Now, when you go home, my email address on YouTube, I've written a book. No, this is not laughing matter. You need to read books. On YouTube, Operation Stephen with a PH.
Operation Stephen with PH.
Yeah, STEPHEN. If you go there, you'll find an email address. If you email, I'll give you a complimentary copy. You can read about Jesus.
Yeah.
About Jesus, you'll find out how he died and he came back alive for you. Yeah?
He didn't die, by the way.
That's what you think?
Yeah.
But read. Read and see if it is true or not. Read. Reading is important. Studying is important. Okay? Good to see you. God's blessings. Good to see you, young man. God's blessings. Don't be angry. Don't beat other people up. Thank you. God's blessings.
Yes,
So-
what happened there?
So this is the reality, my dear friends.
the reality?
Across the Arab world, across various parts of the world, people have sold their souls to Islam when they are utterly clueless. How many surahs are there in the Quran? They don't even know. But when the milkshake wants to hijack them and wants one of them to go and bomb somewhere, there's a good chance some of them would do it. This is what is happening. Without knowledge, decision, not a good idea. He earlier said, you can't do anything to me to make my mind change, to change my mind. I'd like to comment to him, any human being who is in that state needs a mental checkup. You can't tell me anything to change my mind. You are utterly delusional. You've sold your soul. Not a good idea. You should always listen, always hear, and find out if you're following the truth or not.